Denmark is a beautiful and charming country located in Northern Europe. It is a popular tourist destination known for its rich history, culture, and beautiful landscapes. Here is a short travel guide to Denmark with full details to help you plan your trip. Best time to visit. The best time to visit Denmark is during the summer months, from June to August, when the weather is warm and sunny. Getting there, Denmark can be reached by air, sea, or land. Copenhagen Airport is the largest airport in Denmark, and it is well connected to major cities around the world. There are also ferry services from neighboring countries such as Germany, Sweden, and Norway. Places to visit. Denmark has plenty of attractions for tourists, including 1. Copenhagen, the capital city of Denmark, known for its beautiful architecture, museums, and vibrant nightlife. 2. Aarhus, the second largest city in Denmark, with plenty of museums, galleries, and cultural events. 3. Legoland Billund, a popular theme park with a variety of rides and attractions for all ages. 4. The Little Mermaid, a famous statue located in Copenhagen, inspired by the fairy tale by Hans Christian Andersen. 5. Tivoli Gardens, an amusement park in Copenhagen with beautiful gardens, rides, and live entertainment. Accommodation. Denmark has a variety of accommodation options to suit all budgets, including hotels, hostels, and vacation rentals. It is recommended to book your accommodation in advance, especially during peak tourist season. Food and drink. Danish cuisine is known for its seafood, pastries, and traditional dishes such as smørrebrød, open-faced sandwiches, and frikadeller, meatballs. Denmark is also famous for its beer, with many breweries and craft beer bars to explore. Getting around. Denmark has an excellent public transportation system, including buses, trains, and ferries. Copenhagen also has a bike-sharing system, making it easy to explore the city on 2 wheels. Currency. The currency in Denmark is the Danish krone, DKK. Credit cards are widely accepted, and there are plenty of ATMs and currency exchange offices available. Language. The official language in Denmark is Danish, but many Danes also speak English fluently, especially in tourist areas. Safety. Denmark is generally a safe country to travel to, with low levels of crime. However, it is always recommended to take basic safety precautions, such as keeping an eye on your belongings and avoiding isolated areas at night. Etiquette. Danish people are generally polite and friendly, and it is important to respect their culture and customs. It is common to greet people with a handshake, and it is considered rude to arrive late to social events. It is also important to remove your shoes when entering someone's home. Festivals and events. Denmark has many festivals and events throughout the year, including 1. Roskilde Festival, one of the largest music festivals in Europe, held in Roskilde in July. 2. Copenhagen Pride, a week-long festival celebrating LGBTQ+ rights, held in Copenhagen in August. 3. Aarhus Festival, a cultural festival with music, theater, and art events, held in Aarhus in August/September. 4. Christmas markets. Denmark has many Christmas markets during the holiday season, selling traditional Danish crafts and food. Outdoor activities. Denmark has many beautiful outdoor areas to explore, including national parks, forests, and beaches. It is also popular to go cycling or hiking, especially along the coastline. Health. Denmark has a high-quality healthcare system, but it is recommended to have travel insurance before your trip. It is also important to take basic health precautions, such as washing your hands frequently and staying hydrated. Tipping. Tipping is not a common practice in Denmark, as service charges are usually included in the bill. However, it is polite to round up the bill or leave a small tip for good service. Overall, Denmark is a wonderful country to visit, with friendly people, beautiful scenery, and a rich culture and history. Whether you're interested in exploring the cities or the great outdoors, there's something for everyone in Denmark.